There's so much more to running a successful e-commerce business, but a lot of it you'll learn as you go. Hopefully though, you're feeling inspired enough now to jump in and start giving it a go. This is a fantastic way to earn money online, and as we've seen, there are countless small tricks and techniques you can use to accelerate your sales and increase your earnings. The potential is limitless, and it's only going to grow as e-commerce becomes more and more widely accepted. To recap then and set you off, just follow these simple steps. Step number 1. Decide what kind of business you will be running. Is this something you're adding to your existing high street store? Or are you designing a store to run as a side business while you continue with your current employment? Step number 2. Choose a type of product, choose a type of niche, and choose an audience. Think about how you'll create and procure your products, but also think about the amount of competition you'll face and the key phrases that you'll come up against. Step number 3. Create your website and add an e-commerce platform. Use WordPress and either WooCommerce or Shopify for the majority of scenarios. Step number 4. Start adding themes and plugins and think about how you're going to lay out your site. And finally, step number 5. Begin marketing your site through social media and with a blog. Reinvest the profits in more stock and more marketing, and keep a close eye on what's working. Rinse and repeat these steps, and before you know it, you'll be able to start expanding your operations. Next step, well, buying your own warehouse, but that's a topic for another video.